Some discoveries don't just add new knowledge. They change the rules. They challenge everything we think we understand about space, time, and reality itself. Across the world, scientists are uncovering evidence that could rewrite the very laws of physics. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most shocking discoveries that could fundamentally change how the universe works. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final discovery on our list could overturn physics as we know it. We begin with number 10, dark matter. It makes up most of the universe, yet no one has ever seen it. It doesn't emit light or behave like normal matter. And without it, galaxies shouldn't be able to hold themselves together. Current physics cannot fully explain what it is or where it comes from, leaving one of the biggest mysteries in the cosmos unsolved. Next up, at number 9, quantum entanglement. Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance. It describes how particles, separated by vast distances, can instantly affect each other, seemingly faster than the speed of light. This should be impossible according to classical physics. Yet, experiment after experiment confirms it happens. This mind-bending phenomenon suggests that our understanding of reality, space, and separation might be fundamentally wrong. Moving on to number 8, the accelerating expansion of the universe. For decades, scientists believed the universe's expansion was slowing down due to gravity. But observations show the exact opposite. Something is actively pushing galaxies apart at an ever-increasing rate. Scientists call this mysterious force dark energy. Its true nature remains completely unknown, and its existence might violate some of the most fundamental laws of conservation of energy. Now we reach number 7, time crystals. We're all familiar with crystals that have repeating atomic structures in space, like a diamond or a snowflake. But what about structures that repeat in time? Time crystals are a bizarre state of matter that move in a regular, repeating pattern forever without using any energy. This perpetual motion should be impossible, yet scientists have created them in labs. They represent a new state of matter that exists completely outside the known laws of physics. Next is number 6, the muon anomaly. Muons are subatomic particles, similar to electrons but much heavier. When placed in a powerful magnetic field, they wobble. But recent experiments at Fermilab have shown that they wobble slightly differently than predicted by the standard model of particle physics. This tiny deviation, while small, could be the first concrete evidence of entirely new forces or particles in nature that our current models cannot explain. Halfway through the list brings us to number 5, the possibility that gravity is not a fundamental force. We experience gravity every second of our lives, but some radical theories suggest it's not real in the way we think. Instead, it might be an emergent phenomenon arising from quantum information itself. If true, it would mean that space and time are not fundamental either, but are instead built from something much deeper, completely reshaping our view of reality. Continuing to number 4, the multiverse hypothesis. String theory and cosmic inflation models both point to a startling conclusion. Our universe may not be the only one. There could be an infinite number of other universes, each with its own unique physical laws. If confirmed, physics would no longer be the study of everything, but only of the laws that govern our tiny corner of a much larger cosmic reality. Now, only 3 remain, starting with number 3, quantum foam. Zoom in on spacetime to the smallest possible scales. The Planck length and classical physics completely breaks down. Here, space itself may not be smooth but a chaotic, bubbling froth of quantum foam. In this realm, reality becomes unstable. Time and distance lose their meaning, and the universe as we know it dissolves into a storm of quantum fluctuations. Just before the final one comes number 2, the idea that the universe is pixelated. Is reality continuous, or is it made of discrete units, like pixels on a screen? Some theories suggest that spacetime itself has a smallest possible unit. If the universe is fundamentally digital, not analog, it would mean reality could be something like a giant computer simulation. Physics would have to be completely rewritten from the ground up to account for this granular structure. And finally, number 1, the discovery that the laws of physics may not be fixed at all, but are evolving. We assume the rules of the universe have been the same since the Big Bang, but what if they aren't? Some cosmologists propose that the laws of nature themselves can change over time. If the fundamental constants and forces we measure today are different from what they were in the past, then reality itself is not stable. Everything we think we know becomes provisional, a temporary snapshot of a universe in constant flux. Some discoveries expand science. Others redefine it completely. If these ideas are confirmed, the world of physics and our understanding of everything will never be the same again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.